Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best infrared thermal imagers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the infrared thermal imagers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the infrared thermal imagers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Mileseey TR120 Infrared Thermal Imager. The Mileseey TR120 is a portable thermal camera designed for leak detection and electronics repair. With its compact design, it's easy to carry and operate in various environments. The high-performance infrared technology ensures accurate thermal readings, making it suitable for detecting leaks, electrical faults, and heat anomalies in equipment and systems. This device is perfect for technicians and engineers needing reliable and precise thermal analysis on the go. Number 4, UWEI Infrared Thermal Imager Handheld Thermal Imaging Camera. The UWEI thermal imaging camera comes with a color display and adjustable emissivity, 0.01:1, providing detailed thermal imaging for a wide range of uses, including electronics repair and leak detection. It's equipped with an 8 GB storage card and USB rechargeable battery, offering convenience and portability. A carry box is included for easy transport, making it a versatile tool for fieldwork. Number 3, MASTFUYI Professional Thermal Imaging Camera. With a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, the MASTFUYI thermal imaging camera is perfect for professional repair and pipeline detection. This high-resolution infrared camera offers precise temperature measurement and imaging for detecting problems in various applications such as HVAC, plumbing, and industrial repair work. Its advanced thermal detection capabilities make it an essential tool for technicians. Number 2, GW256 Thermal Imaging Camera for Water Pipe Leak and Power Electrical PCB Test. The GW256 offers a 256 by 192 thermal resolution, perfect for detecting water pipe leaks and testing power or electrical PCB circuits. This handheld thermal imaging camera provides accurate temperature readings to help locate faults in hard-to-reach areas. It's ideal for plumbers, electricians, and engineers, offering a portable and efficient tool for detecting thermal issues without causing damage to structures or systems. Number 1, TOOLTOP 8692C Handheld 256 by 192 Infrared Thermal Camera. This 3.2-inch handheld infrared thermal camera is designed for precision in electronics repair, PCB inspection, and pipeline detection. Featuring a 256 by 192 resolution, it delivers high-quality thermal imaging for identifying potential issues, such as heat anomalies or leaks. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts in troubleshooting electrical systems and detecting faults in pipelines.